call the first one now and we'll start. Okay, sir. Miss, we will start the interview. Please begin.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, okay, wait.
Thank you, sir. Sir, here's my requirements.
And you are?
I'm Miss Maya de la Rosa, sir.
Sinakabahan ka?
I,
Sinakabahan? Okay, let's just make it simple. First, tell me about your work background.
I worked before, sir, King's Bower as a bookkeeper for 2 years. Then, Casablanca as a online bidder. Then, my previous work is on principal officer as office staff.
How about your education background?
I'm a graduated BScs in CLSU, sir.
Where's the last job you attended?
Principal officer.
And why did you quit at that job? Or quit or resign?
End of contract.
And why did you apply this company?
I want, sir, for experience.
And why do you think I will accept you at this company?
Because, sir, I have lots of experience that I can apply to your company. But it's my first time in an aviation company, but I will try my best and I'm willing to learn.
Okay, very well said, Maya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Can I go?
Yes, maybe. Okay. Okay, Alvin, call the next one now.
Okay, sir. Next one, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So you are
Princess Karine, sir.
from?
From Duan, sir.
Okay. Tell me about your legal background.
I graduate in accountancy in Tarlac State University.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Where's the last job you last attended?
In BDO, sir.
So you resigned.
No, sir. End of contract.
So why did you apply at this company?
Because I'm very experienced of any job.
And why would they accept you in this company?
Because I'm very experienced of job.
That's all?
Yes, sir.
No more?
No more, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rin. You may leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Alvin. Next one. Okay, Alvin. Next one.
Okay, sir.
Faster.
Next one, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can I sit, sir?
Jimmy.
Thank you.
So you are Abby Fernandez?
Yes, sir.
From?
Tulad nga po lang ako sa Adyan, nagdali po ako sa Adyan po sa inyo.
And where's the last job you attended?
Binged, sir.
You resigned?
Yes, sir.
But why?
Some reason.
And why did you apply this company?
Dahil po alam po makakatulong ko sa inyo sa paglago ng iyong kumpanya at magiging po ako isang good employer.
Okay, thank you, Miss Abby.
Thank you, sir.
Following week, the selected applicants were met by one of the staff of Mr. Lim, which is Rose, and now they are in a room.
Bravo, can you please call the selected employees? 2021. So the company has expected much from you. So now we will be talking about your works. Ms. De La Rosa, since you are specialized in computer, Mr. Lim appointed you to the work at his office for the document works. Next, Ms. Joanne, since you have knowledge on finance, you will be work at the finance department together with your co-workers that will be midterm. And you, Ms. Mika, you are the experienced one in marketing. You will work at the marketing department together with your co-workers also.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, how about our resolution?
When it comes to that, I will just tell you when already fixed the schedule.
So can you start tomorrow, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
How about my work, ma'am?
Miss Joanne, your work will be on the finance department at the right side of the building. You may ask for help for your co-employees.
Thank you, ma'am Rose. How about you, ma'am?
Miss Mika, you will be marketing department is just the third floor at the left side. You can ask your co-employees there. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Today, Mr. Lim will have a meeting with 3 other managers.
Oh my God, Richard. Anong klaseng mga empleyado ang mga pinapasok mo? Puro lahat sila mga bobo. She spilled her drink to me. I suggest you must fire her.
Oh, we're so sorry, Miss Joyce.
You should.
Don't worry, we'll take necessary actions. You may take your seat now.
Morning, Richard. Well done. You have great employees here. Though once I went it, someone hit me slightly, but I just told her to be careful next time.
Thank you, Miss Frances. You may take your seat.
Good morning. Am I late?
No, Miss Christine. You just arrived at the right time. You may take your seat now. So can we start now, ladies?
Okay, come on.
So first, our company is now offering partnership through some of our branches. We're planning to expand in some part of the country as well as some part in other countries like in Europe or in US. So now I ask for your appointment to offer a partnership agreement. What do you think, Lily?
Maybe you're right. I'm thinking of this thing also for the bus days. I'll talk to my members for their opinions.
Me too, Mr. Lim. I asked for reviews of my stocks for this partnership with Chime Airways.
I'm sorry, Richard, but we all have an agreement with other company.
It's okay, Miss Joy, I understand. So, Miss Frances and Miss Christine, I'll wait for your confirmation so we can talk about it later, about our partnership.
Okay, Mr. Lim. Now, thank you.
Okay, thank you, ladies.
The next day, Mr. Lim called his staff for a meeting about the company's next steps and other things.
Okay. So as you know, our company is getting bigger, more partnerships have been signed. So we need to expand our manpower. Also, we need to talk about many things. First, the travelers are enormously got up. So do we have enough planes to accommodate and operate regularly in all of our branches?
We already assessed this part, sir. Okay. We need to add more planes due to increasing numbers of our passengers. And also, our engineers plans to remodel the planes for more accommodation. But we need to insert people soon.
I think it's a good idea to make new models. So I'll talk to our names first at some time.
I agree, sir. It's part of our corporate responsibility to adapt to the need of society. The demand increase, so we need to go with the flow, sir. Can we afford to remodel our planes, sir?
confident we can, but I'll talk for engineers first. So about our manpower, I think we need more because we're planning to expand in Cebu and other parts of the country as well as internationally. So I think we need more manpower.
Sir, some of our facilities we're spending a lot of money on may suggest must look at the aspects of our production environment, prices, and stuff.
Yes, that's another thing. When it comes to software, I'll ask Maya if she can do something about it. So, okay. I'll ask Maya first. So, thank you for that, Miss Geraldine. You're right that our way of accommodating factors is not that fast and accurate.
Thank you, sir. Yes, you're right, sir. We need to improve our systems and infrastructure.
How about our future workers, sir?
So I think you're right. Let's just open the company first to them, so we can train them for the company's future. How about our supply of materials? Do we have enough materials for the improvement?
We need to add more, sir, because we are planning to improve ratings, and I think we need more materials.
Okay, just let me inform about that.
Yes, sir, I agree.
And how about our supply of energy? Are we and our waste products? Are we having troubles?
On that part, sir, we can easily resolve that. We can buy as soon as we need it. And
And
any our waste disposed.
and what about on the aspect of salaries? Is there any problem regarding that? So okay, let's move on to the next. First, when it comes to the staff's behavior towards each other, and much importantly towards the customer side, are they behaving and interacting well?
Yes, sir, as we promised to the company, that we will serve well and protect the image of Pioneer Base.
So I appreciate all your effort, guys. So let's finish this here and keep up the good work.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The meeting at the office was done. And now, at the Mr. Liu did not expect that his children will visit you.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Dad.
Ano, buti naman nakadalo kayo. Wala ba kang ginagawa niyo?
Can you say something that...
And what is this? And what is it? Business. Are you all sure?
Yes, Dad.
And what kind of business is it?
Store, gadget, and internet cafe.
Oh, gadget store. And what you know may kapag
Para may magawa naman kami ni Dad. Isa sa walang ginagawa.
Napag-isipan niyo na ba yan?
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad.
Ano? May pondo na ba kayo?
Wala pa, pero kailangan namin yung tulong mo.
Yan. At isa pa, Luke and Jeff, kayo, may mga trabaho kayo.
Yes.
So, paano pag wala kayo, sino mo muna ng business niya?
Ako na lang. Hindi, mas magaling ako sa kanya, kaya ako nalandan.
Kung ganyan yung pinapagsasabi nyo, wala kang mabayang business. Nag-aaway na kayo, paano po pumilikas na kayo? Sabi na pag-isipan nyo na yan. kayo nag-away kayo?
Hindi naman sila nag-aaway din na isa talaga yung mumuno, yung may iwas business.
Pag-uusapan na lang nila.
So, tungkol sa bagay na pakakasabi ko ngayon namin yun. Pero habang ginagawa ko yun, gusto ko pag-usapan nyo kaya. Lahat ng bagay tungkol dyan pag-usapan nyo para walang away. Maliwanag ba?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, sige na.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad. Nanang Dad.
Sige, ingat kayo. Sige na ako sa bahay. Sige.
Ay, may arthritis.
Ang cute!
If you love me like you tell me, please be careful with my heart. You can take it, just don't break it, or my world will fall apart. You are my first romance, and I'm willing to take a chance that till life is through, I'll still be loving you. I will be true to you, just a promise from you will from the very
Okay, sir. And you are?
Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see. Love has heard some lies softly spoken, and I have had my heart badly broken. I've been burned and I've been hurt before, so I know just how you feel. Trust my love is real for you. I'll be gentle with your heart, I'll caress it like the morning dew. I'll be right beside you forever, I won't let our world fall apart. From the very